There are a lot of exciting technologies that are part of the digital transformation. No one knows exactly where they will take us. Take, for example, autonomous robots. The easiest example is the little vacuum cleaner for your house. But robots actually do a lot of work in warehouses and factories, and they're a lot more predictable than people at driving a forklift. I'm excited that robots can also do dangerous work so people don't have to. Things like tank cleaning, welding, heavy lifting on assembly lines. They can also inspect equipment like flares and structural equipment that's dangerous for people to access. They also free up time for humans to do what they do best, be creative and innovate. Another is augmented reality. Everyone thinks of a video game, but it can be used in a plant or a factory to supply the operator with information. It works as a digital overlay atop our physical world. It could be anything. It could be the normal operating ranges for equipment, or it could be a procedure for the maintenance work that they are doing. Think of it as a very knowledgeable friend right by your side telling you everything you need to know. Another is additive manufacturing. I'm a mechanical engineer by training, and this one might be my favorite. Traditionally, you can make things like with a mold, like a bottle, or you can take a big block of material and cut away the excess bits, kind of like a sculptor does. But additive manufacturing is incredible. First, there's very little waste, and second, you can make almost anything you can imagine. There is a stainless steel bridge across one of the canals in Amsterdam, and it was created through additive manufacturing. It is beautiful, and you could never manufacture something like this through machining. And another example is there's companies, some with roots in Rice Research Labs, who are developing technology to print organs for human transplant. The printer makes a skeleton, which is seeded with cells. Who knows how many lives this could save? Industry 4.0 or digital transformation is a lot more than these few technologies. Anyone with a curiosity and a fascination with technology can't help but be excited.